Hey there, what if I told you you could learn and practice English just by watching Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts? Yes, the same 30-second videos you scroll through daily can actually make you fluent faster if you use them the right way. So, today I'll show you exactly how to turn short form content into your personal English trainer for free. So, let's go. Why Reels and Shorts work for learning? Reels and Shorts are likely micro doses of native English. They are fast, real, and full of authentic expressions, tone, slangs, and pronunciation. Unlike textbooks, they show you how English is actually spoken in daily life jokes, emotion, sarcasm, confidence, and everything. Plus, they are short, so your brain remembers better. It's like learning in small, tasty bites rather than one huge, boring meal. How to learn with Reels step by step. Let me give you a 4 step method to make this work. Step 1. Choose native content. Follow creators who speak naturally and clearly. Comedy, lifestyle, interviews, or daily vlogs are best. Look for hashtag like English speaking, learn English, daily vocabulary, or just native creators talking about normal life. Step 2. Watch one reel 3 times. First time, just watch. Second time, watch with subtitles if available. Third time, try to shadow. That means repeat after them, copy their tones and pronunciation. Step 3. Pick one or two chunks. Don't memorize full sentences. Just pick natural phrases like I'm not gonna lie. Are you serious right now? That blew my mind. Write this in a note or voice diary. Step 4. Use it in the same day. Text a friend, speak to yourself in the mirror, or use it in a comment section. Using it equals remembering it. Now let's learn what to avoid. Don't just scroll endlessly. Mindless watching equals no learning. Avoid content with too much slangs or super fast speech if you are a beginner. Don't watch silent reels. You are here for listening, tone, and vocabulary. Focus on quality, not quantity. Recommended accounts. If you want suggestions, here are some good accounts or channels to start with. These are the Indian creators you can see on the screen. You can follow any of them and start watching their content. Bonus practice ideas. Here's how to practice even deeper with reels. Voice mimic. Use voice recorder to copy one reel exactly. Reel journal. Write 1-2 sentences from your favorite shorts daily. Role play. Pause a reel, pretend you are the second speaker, and answer them. Third, mini dictation. Try to write down what the person said without pausing. And hey, if you want real speaking practice, I offer one-on-one live English sessions where I help you use this kind of real life content, practice speaking, and build fluency confidently. It's perfect for learners who want personal attention and fast results. DM me or check the link in the description to book your first session. So now you know the next time you scroll through reels, don't feel guilty. Just remember, watch smart, practice small, and repeat daily. Which Instagram or Shorts creator do you learn from? Comment below and share. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your English learning friends.